If you work with teammates, clients, or friends across different regions, scheduling the same event in multiple time zones can feel confusing at first, but the good news is Google Calendar makes it surprisingly simple once you know where to click. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Google Calendar event in multiple time zones step by step, so everyone sees the meeting at the correct local time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You want to be on the desktop version because that gives you the full event creation options and makes it easier to manage time zones, guests, and meeting details all in one place. Once Google Calendar loads, look for the Create button. Click Create and then choose Event from the drop-down menu. This opens the event setup window where you can enter all the important details. Now start by entering the event title. Keep it clear and specific, especially if you're scheduling across time zones, because your guests should immediately know what the meeting is for. For example, you might name it something like Team Sync, Client Call, Project Review, or Weekly Check-in. A good title helps keep your calendar organized and makes the event easier to find later. Next, set the date and time for the event. This is where you'll define when the meeting begins according to the time zone you're scheduling from. Make sure the date is correct, then enter the start and end time carefully. If the event lasts 1 hour, for example, you might choose 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Double check this part, because even a small mistake here can cause confusion for everyone invited. Now look for the time zone option next to the time. This is the key step when you want to schedule something for people in different parts of the world. Click the time zone option and then select the time zone where the event is being scheduled. For example, if you're setting up the meeting from New York, you would select the appropriate Eastern time zone. If you're scheduling from London, you would choose the relevant UK time zone. This tells Google Calendar exactly how to interpret the event time. Once the correct time zone is selected, Google Calendar will handle the conversion in the background. That means guests in other regions will still see the meeting in their own local time based on the calendar settings they use. This is one of the biggest benefits of using Google Calendar because it removes a lot of the mental math and reduces the chance of people joining at the wrong time. After that, click Add Guests and enter the participants' email addresses. You can add one guest at a time or paste in multiple email addresses if you already have the list ready. As you add guests, make sure the email addresses are spelled correctly because a small typo can prevent someone from receiving the invitation. If you're coordinating with a team, this is also a good moment to confirm that everyone is included before moving on. If this is an online meeting, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This will automatically generate a Google Meet link for the event, making it easy for everyone to join from anywhere. Adding Google Meet is especially useful for cross-time zone meetings because it gives your guests one simple place to connect without needing extra setup. Once it's added, the meeting link will appear inside the calendar invite. Before saving, take one last look at the event details. Check the title, date, time zone, guests, and Google Meet link if you added one. This final review is important because it helps you catch mistakes before the invite goes out. When everything looks good, click Save, then click Send to deliver the invitation to your guests. After you send it, Google Calendar automatically displays the event at the correct local time for each guest based on their calendar time zone settings. So if one person is in New York, another is in London, and another is in Sydney, each guest will see the event in their own local time without you needing to create separate meetings. That's what makes this feature so powerful for remote teams and international scheduling. And that's it. You've now learned how to schedule a Google Calendar event in multiple time zones. It's a simple process once you know where the time zone setting is, and it can save you a lot of headaches when coordinating across regions. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Google Calendar tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.